Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you all for joining me here on my YouTube channel, Septeria18. If some of you do follow me on Instagram, you probably had seen some of my stories where I went on a wonderful family holiday. Well, I'm also glad now to be back here in my crafting space. And when I was on holidays, I did have time to think about ideas and projects and tutorials to show you guys when I do come back on my trip. And I did come up with this really cute, really easy, simple project for you using single pocket pouches. And these are the pocket pouches that I use. You probably have seen these around. These are the pocket letter pouches. You get 9 pockets and they have an opening in each of these pockets, and then you add your goodies and embellish your front of the pocket letters. And I thought I would individually cut these out and make them into single pocket pouches, so you could also add goodies in there. And these are the ones that I've made, and all you do is adhere it to some double-sided cardstock paper, and then you've got your nice pocket pouch where you can still see inside and see what goodies you have in there. And then I've embellished the front as well, and then there is a flap to create the closure. So I've just got in here a tag that I'd embellished, and that can fit in there nicely. You can also add gift cards, use these as treat favour pockets, use them for Christmas and add some Christmas goodies in there. For craft fairs, happy mail ideas, use these in your swap if you are in a craft swap for your swap partner. And with this one here, I've got a crochet trim to use as the closure for the flap. And you can also use washi tape, paper clips, anything you want, or some Velcro dots, or you can leave it without any closure. And in here I've just got a package embellishment that I've made, and I've embellished the front of the pocket as well. So I thought this is a great way, and it's also nice and flat for you if you want to send this off into the mail. And I'm just going to show you how I made the pocket and how I assembled it. So what you do is, with your pocket sleeve, all you're going to do here is you're going to want to cut where the perforated lines that divide the pockets. You want to cut that in the middle of the perforated or where it's sealed, and then you're going to just cut along the top part here where the opening of the pocket is, and cut it as straight as you can. So then that will give you a single pocket pouch, and you'll just need some double-sided cardstock. Use some nice sturdy cardstock for this, so that way it's not too flimsy when you want to place your pocket. And I cut mine at 3 inches by 6 inches. So if you do have double-sided 6 by 6 paper, you'll be able to get 2 pieces. And if you have 12 by 12 paper, you'll be able to have 8 pieces of these cardstock for your pockets. And then what you do is you're going to need some double-sided tape. This is the thinnest one I think you can get. It's probably a 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters wide. And you're going to want to place your double-sided tape on all 4 sides. And I've already done one already for the video. So as you can see here, I've already placed mine on all 4 sides. And then you're going to peel off the backing. And once you've got all the backing out, just making sure you've got the top opening on the top, and just decide which side you want facing the front. And then you're just going to place your pocket. I placed mine about 1/8 of an inch from the edge, and then just centering that, and then just placing it onto the cardstock. And then with the flap closure, you can just decide how far down you want to make your closure. I think my one is about 1/2 inch from the edge of the opening. So I'm just going to use this pocket as a template, so I've got all of my flaps the same size. So I've just placed that on the top, and I'm just going to bring that up and gently fold that over to give me the guide of where I need to fold it. And then I just press that down, and that gives me my flap. And then I'm just going to corner around the corners just to make it look neat. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And then that gives you your closure. And then you've got your pocket here, and then you can add all your goodies, and it's nice to be able to still see what's inside. And then you can then embellish the front of the pocket and decorate the front if you wish, and then it's ready for you to add all of your fun goodies in there. I do hope you enjoyed this really easy fun project. And also, if you wanted to purchase these from my store, I have already pre-made some already here, and you will get a random 2 pockets that I've already made using random double-sided prints, and you'll also receive 1 clear pocket for you to also make if you wanted to make one yourself. And then it will be packaged with some of my crocheted twine or string as well, so then you can use that if you wanted to for your closure. So I will list this on my Etsy store, and I'll put the link to my store down below for you if you would like to purchase these. And I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all soon on my next one. Bye!